here for today. Okay, Olivia, Megan, and then Isa, Calvin, Akila, and Naswa are here, right? So many friends of you are not here. Some of them, has permitted to me. They have to go to their family, and some of them are sick today. We pray for them, right? We pray for them to be better or get well soon. Amen for them. Well, everybody, I think everything is alright for today. Your class is very clean, yeah. Everything is tidy, so it's better for us to open our study today by praying. Speak up louder, please. Be louder, microphone. Let's pray together. Finish. Thank you very much. Okay, as usual, because we are Indonesian people, don't forget to sing this song. Okay, Indonesia Raya. Imperative sentence. Close the door and then open the window. Do you still remember? Okay, this is imperative sentence. Come on, clap once, clap twice. Okay, drink and what? Wear masks and then wash your hands and then keep distancing. Okay, I think you have done now, so you are correct. Well, about imperative sentence, actually, this is learning objective for today. Jadi tujuan pembelajaran hari ini itu apa? Ada di slide-nya, you can see. One. Okay. After analyzing a simple recipe in PPT, jadi nanti ada video, I will show you ya. Okay, and you can now about the structure-nya, mulai goal-nya mau buat apa, ya, and then ingredients-nya, bahan-bahannya, and then steps-nya, how to make, kan mesti, pertama-tama harus buat ini dan sebagainya. That are called the generic structure of procedure text. So, what are we going to study today? About process. And then number 2 or the second, setelah readiness itu apa? Jadi keaktifannya, you must be active. If you don't know the meaning in Indonesia or even in English, you can ask this Dewi. Okay, but before I want to ask you about this one. Have you had breakfast for today? Have you had breakfast before coming here? Sudah sarapan? Dapat? Have you had breakfast? And Nabila? Okay, that's what? Okay. Well, before I show you about how to make a simple breakfast, you can make. Now going to make. What is less? Is it enough? Yes, right. Sugarnya not yet, mom, right? There is no sugar. It means plain, the bitter tea, right? But I will make, sugar, right? This is sugar. What is this? We need. Apa yang kita butuhkan lagi? Yes, right. Water. Could you take the water up there, please? Take for me. Where is the water? Take. Yes, right. That is water. Isa, do you know this is what water? Hot water or cold water? Yes, right. Hot water. Yes, this is the hot water. Okay. Come back one. How to make a cup of tea? Okay. Very good. Mana tadi? What are the ingredients? back in the cup. Very good. And then add, tambahkan a teaspoon, a teaspoon of. Okay. Are you going to use sweet mostly? Yes, no problem. Just add the soup. Afterwards, that's okay. Yeah? After this, you just pour the hot water into cup. Like this. Is okay, Mom? No, not alright. After that, pull the thick paste. Pull the thick paste. Okay. Here you get over here. Okay. So, and a cup of sweet, tea is ready to serve. Yes, Mom. This is black rice. Okay. Oh yes. Wow. What is this? Bread. Why? What about this one? A sachet of milk. Right. Milk. Okay, good. You just prepare milk. Cheese. Right. Cheese. This is bread. Yeah? You prepare bread. And then, what is this? Butter. Or okay, maybe this spoon as well to spread on the what is this? Bread. Okay, now, alright. Okay. First, okay, prepare one or two, right? You need two slices of bread. Okay, depend on okay. Us like to take. Okay, like this, everyone. The name is called the spread. Just spread the butter. Spread the butter. Spread the butter. Put the cheese on the bread. Okay, after that, cover with the other slice of bread. Actually, you can enjoy it just like this, but to make interesting, you just make it diagonally, taking a knife to cut, this one diagonally, okay, to make it interesting.
A glass bowl. Weigh the flour on the scale. Measure. You can measure.
Okay, that's about the cooking work. Actually, you just write on your book about the cooking work. Cooking work, it's like bread, cut. It's called as cooking work. Okay? Now just repeat like what Miss Dewi said. Okay, from slice, break, taste, hold. Prosedur teks nanti strukturnya yang harus ada. Okay? Prosedur teks nanti strukturnya yang harus ada. Okay? Tomorrow teks ini ada goalnya. Tadi ultimate rasanya atau grammarnya ya ini simple present. Buatnya sekarang atau yang akan dilakukan itu pakai present saat itu prosesnya. Kemudian ada action verb yang tadi cooking. Oh, it's banana. Oh, banana, fried banana. Okay, this is for you. And then dapat milk. Okay, just here. And then Nabila, this is fried rice. Oh, of course. Okay, this is for you. Now decide whether it is good, ingredients, and stepnya. Berarti itu termasuk di mana? Okay, just. Okay, ada. Oh, apa dia? Good. You just stick on where? Where is the word that you want to stick? Over there? Over there? Good. Yes. If you have finished, you can stick your work on the wall. Maybe over here. Okay. Just stick over here. Okay. Just make your friend over there first. After this, your friend will come here to know about your work. Okay? Just sit down. Okay, the other. Okay, hurry up. If you have finished, beside. Okay. Oh, yes, stir, you know. Okay, like this. So this one is stir. Understand, you will study about procedure text and as well will help. This is the picture. Yeah, this is the picture. This is okay. It's time for Naswa and Olivia to present their work. Okay, Naswa? Everyone, let's go to Naswa's work. Come on. Okay, over here. Over here.
Also make an lesson mix. Ingredient: 1 some cheese, 2 a sachet of chocolate mix, 3 a sachet of butter. Steps: first, put the one of bread. Afterwards, put a slice of cheese on ice. Cover the bread with the after slice and with chocolate milk.
Sit down again. Yeah. Thank you very much for your participation to make procedure. You must have read first. Last section for our meeting today is policy. Okay. There are many questions over there. Before, I would like to say, or I want to give you appreciation. Yeah, you are grade 1, Olivia, Naswa, and you, Dafa, Mika, Nabila, Iza. Yeah, you are grade 1, the best students. But after this, you can, improve your English skill. You'll make your own recipe atau procedure test ya. Jadi next meeting you must present your own recipe. Lihatnya sendiri-sendiri resepinya. That's okay. No problem. What you have, you just make creativity. Niken, now lead your friend to pray. Oh, be louder please.
Let's pray together.
Please. Okay. Thank you very much for your coming. I hope you will be successful in the future and don't never give up to study. At least, greet to your parents. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.